this is Sharifa Just Nailed It. This is a Glitter Girls collaboration for Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Resurrection. My mani is not going to be your typical Easter manicure. Easter to me does not represent Easter bunnies and Easter eggs and candy and Easter baskets. It is the resurrection of Jesus Christ, the day that he arose from the grave. That's what my mani is going to entail. That's what it's going to be about. I hope you will watch in full and give me support. Leave me a nice little comment down below. If you haven't subscribed already, I invite you to do so now. Thumbnails, I'll be taking the finger off to do. Such as the thumbnail here, I am going to be freehanding writing on it, so it's easier for me to do it off the hand. I'll be doing a 5-figure manicure. And I really hope that you enjoy. Oh. Here's my practice nail. Okay. Yeah, me and my freehand aren't that good. But I'm going to do my best. Kind of heavy-handed. I'm really trying not to be. Something I'm trying to practice on. As well as bracing my finger, but sometimes it's hard. Oh, it was going so well there until I got to the E. Okay. I am going to stick this in for a flash cure. I am using Beetles polishes, so the rule of thumb with Beetles is to cure for a full 60 seconds. I'm only doing a flash cure. Sorry. I am getting over strep throat. I was diagnosed earlier on Monday in the week, and it was really, really rough. This is my second time filming this video. The first time around, I just couldn't talk. It was my throat was just raw and swollen. So I'm on the mend. Shoot, I have my voice back. It is not all rough and garbly, and because it was horrible. People had a hard time understanding me. We're gonna top coat this nail. I feel like I got a dry brush there. On this nail it says he's risen, because he did just that. Jesus rose from the grave on Easter Sunday. In case you did not know. Whoops. Whoop. Gonna pop this back in to cure. I hope that the heart, whoops. I hope that the heart does not slide about. Next I'm going to do the middle finger. And I'll be flash curing this as well. Okay. We've got the thumb back out. I'm going to put that back on Harley Marie. She is our model here with us today. There is our, our first nail done. It says he has risen. We've got the middle finger in the lamp. And let's see, what are we going to do? I'm going to probably stick that back in for another few minutes. Ouch. Sorry about that. I can start on the ring finger. Get my palette back over here. Got us a sun going on here. Sorry I'm being so quiet. Didn't even think about that. I'm in my own little world, sitting here painting and thinking and thinking and painting. Wipe my brush, clean my brush. I'm gonna stick this in the lamp to cure real quick. And we will go back to our middle finger. We're gonna top coat. I don't know what's going on with my mat here. I don't know if I spilled something on it, if it's the acrylic. I don't know. I've cleaned it, and yeah, I put some because it's real smooth feeling here, and here it feels like a rubbery mat. But I don't know. It looks kind of just, I don't know, maybe I got acrylic on, I don't know. Kind of hard to say. So this nail, I have across, if you could, oh, hopefully you can see what I'm doing, I'm sorry. We're putting us some stones. And I want these as close to the edge of the nail as I can get. So I'm going to put this in real quick before they start to move on me. Alrighty, and now we are back with Harley Marie. We're going to go back in with our black polish. This is what represents the tomb. And this is the opening of. There was a stone that covered the opening to the tomb, which I'm going to draw that over here. Maybe just a little bit bigger. Made my sun pretty big. It was shining bright the day Jesus arose. Okay, our stone stayed in place. We're going to pop this back in the lamp. Let me think. Let's me think. Okay, whoops. Shoot. Okay, that is back in the lamp. We're going to go back in with some more top coat to make us some more row of stones here. Remember, do not top coat your stones. That will dull your sparkle. And that's not something you ever want to happen. Let's see, where are we on time? We're good. We're going to place another row. It won't release. Oh boy. There we go. Can't tell if they're in the right direction or not. I can't tell. Sometimes it's hard to see under the lights. Okay, I'm going to pop this back in. Harley Marie is back with us. We have finished this nail. Let me show you. This is the stone that covered the tomb, which is here's the opening after Jesus arose. We got our beautiful sun shining. We're gonna top coat the pinky because we're gonna add bling to that nail. Oops. And what is that in our top coat? Oh, we got something in our top coat. Oh, Lord. I don't know what it was, but we can't have it. Can't have it, can't have it. Cannot have it. No time for the messing up. Okay. We'll do the same to the index finger. Remember, these are all Beetles polishes that are being used. You can find them, Beetles Gel Polishes, on Instagram. Down in my description box, there's always a link to Beetles. So you can go check them out anytime you want. Great affordable polishes. You can find them on Amazon. If you go to the website and you go to order, it's going to shoot you straight over to Amazon. So, word for the wise. Okay, we're going to pop this in the lamp. Oh, I guess I should top coat the ring finger. And here we're going to put this in for a full 60. What? Here we are back with this nail. Put a little bit more top coat across here. And just a couple more bling, and then we are done. I think we're done. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click the bell so you get notified of all future videos. Excuse me. Taking this chance to clean my mess up right now. Hope you've enjoyed my manicure. I really do. Please be kind in the comments. I don't put up with negativity in my comments or anything. I mean, I've never had to deal with it. And I don't want to start now because of my manicure. It's not what a typical person thinks is Easter. You know, to each their own. This is me. This is my belief. If you don't choose to believe that way, that is totally up to you. I am going to pause because I'm running over on time on the editing program, so I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Get that cord out of the way. Here is my Easter manicure. Hope you all like it and you enjoy, and you can hope this translates well to you. He has risen. Happy Easter, happy resurrection. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.